Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you, and it's an adults only advent calendar, and it is Lovehoney's 7 Days of Temptation, and it's a lingerie advent calendar. This is what it looks like. Beautiful design. We've got 7 days here, so I'm going to pull them out one by one, showing you what's inside. Step into a wonderland filled with sensual, tropical florals, soft satin and delicate lace. 7 indulgent gifts await you in the secret garden, with gorgeous lingerie and enticing accessories hidden in each drawer. Designed to enhance your natural beauty, this seductive collection features deep red, exotic blooms and rich green foliage set against an endless inky blue night sky. Make your erotic journey last with a week of daily treats, or send temperatures soaring in a thrilling total reveal. Whatever you decide, a tantalising taste of paradise is yours to explore. The cost of the advent calendar is £60 and it has a value of over £100. There's a few different advent calendars on Lovehoney's website. I'll pop all links related to the advent calendars and their Christmas stock down in my description, so if you're interested in taking a look, then you will find it down there. But this calendar comes in 2 sizes. I've got the plus size, which is for a UK size 18 to 24. Now I am around a 16 to an 18 in underwear, and I'm right in the middle, and the other advent calendar comes in a size 8 to 16, so I've opted for the plus size one, thinking it's better to be a little on the bigger side than the tight side. So I don't know. I won't be trying these out in the video, but you will see screenshots from the website pop up so you can get to see what they look like on both of the models. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you what's inside. Okay, day number 1. That's what the box looks like. So they're all tightly wrapped up with a little sticker, and there's information in there. So this is a halter neck lace bra with satin ties, tantalising tees, and this gorgeous bra with satin ties and soft revealing lace cups for a perfectly provocative look. Pair with drawer number 3. Okay, I will let you know down in the comments. I'll put a pinned post letting you know what they are like on my size body then. I love this colour. Wow, it's just one long ribbon. What was this again? This is a halter neck bra, wasn't it? Oh, this is so lovely. Oh, I can see how it's adjustable and how it can fit many sizes. Oh, that is so lovely. It's really good quality. I wasn't, well, to be honest, I didn't know what to expect, but I was thinking, is it going to be just cheap and tacky? But it feels, the lace feels really nice and soft. That is beautiful. That is really, really lovely. And the ribbon as well, really nice and thick. Is that the Lovehoney sign? I'm not too sure. So these are the cups, and you tie it, and they're really nice and long, really pretty. And this is the back. So it's adjustable. So this is the widest it can go. And I do think I've made a good choice here. Let's see what the other is like. But yeah, it can move inches. Move inches and inches to make it quite small, look. I love that. I absolutely love it. It feels gorgeous, and yeah, I am chuffed to that. I love navy, really pretty. Day number 2. These are lace cuffs with satin ties. Try a little light bondage play with these lace wrist cuffs, complete with silky satin ties. To further indulge your fantasies, pair with drawer number 4 and 5. Okay. So again, gorgeous blue. Gosh, this is so soft. The lace is super, super soft. Not scratchy, you know. Look at the colour. It's beautiful. So these are little cuffs. Okay, let's try them. So this is what they look like. And obviously they can tie up in the middle. They're pretty, giving me Madonna vibes from the 80s. So that's day number 2. Day number 3. This feels bigger. What have we got here? Oh, lace knickers with satin ties. Slowly untie the satin ribbons of these sexy lace knickers to leave your lover speechless with desire for a sultry pairing head to drawer 1, which was the halter neck bra, or the bralette. They're completely open, so you tie them with really long ties. So, so soft. Knickers there, and they're not thongs, thank God. Yeah, Thank God. Yeah, they're really pretty. They are really, really pretty. And then obviously you tie it at the sides there. Yeah, I love them. Day number 4. And we've got a candle. Light to fill the room with a seductive aroma and warm glow that's sure to set the mood. To heighten arousal, pair with drawer number 5. We haven't reached drawer number 5 yet, but yeah, let's see what it is. So this is a vanilla scented candle. Just a normal candle there. Oh, it smells nice. It smells like chocolate. Oh. Yeah, that's nice. That is really nice. Okay, door number 5 then. So, how does this pair with the candle? It's a little one. It's a lace eye mask with satin ties. Cover your lover's eyes with satin and lace for an alluring step into sensory play. Enhance your experience with drawers 2 and 4. No, I can't remember. 2 and 4. 4 is what we just had. Maybe 2 with the cuffs. I can't remember. Doesn't matter. I can see through that. I can see through that clear. Can you see my eyes? Yeah, I can see through that. So not completely blindfolded. But it's pretty. It is really pretty. And then the ties at the back. So that's day number 5. Day number 6. Something a bit larger. Sheer stockings, the perfect finishing touch for your boudoir look. These midnight blue sheer stockings complete the dream team. Pair with drawers 1, 3 and 7 for after dark antics. Now, I'm not into stockings. I just never found them really comfortable. Maybe it's because I got chunky legs. They just don't stay up, or maybe I just haven't found the right size, or do you know what I mean? I just, like, yeah, I never wear them. Oh, they're nice. They're really nice, look. They're quite sheer. And they've got a nice big band at the top here that stretches really nicely as well. It's got some stockings. And then last day, number 7, it's the big one in the middle. Lace basque set with satin ties. Wrap your body in this gorgeous merry window basque set. Revel in the sensual touch of soft satin and lace. Pair with drawer number 6 for drawer drop-in sex appeal. Okay. I honestly thought it was just one little outfit, but no, we've got a bra and knicker set, and we've got this basque as well. I can't work out how the heck to use this because I've got a pair of thongs here. Not my cup of tea. But a pair of thongs and this basque. How does this work? How does this... Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh, look. Instead of plain navy ties, it's got a pattern on it. So that's what it looks like there. Then it's got ties to hook the stockings. This is so pretty. And again at the back there, it's adjustable. So you can make it larger or smaller. And it's stretchy. Every part of it is stretchy. I know, that is so pretty. Halter neck. You will get a clearer view from the pictures. But yeah. Halter neck there, and what's at the back? What's at the back? Oh, there's a tie right at the back then, just above your bottom. There's these ties here. Yeah, that is gorgeous. That is really pretty. I am super impressed with this advent calendar. It's only a 7-day one, so it'd either be like a treat for yourself to just open it all up and have it all at once, as they said, or maybe like on the lead up to Christmas, the week before Christmas, and then obviously the last one then is Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. I just think this is a lovely idea. Really, really nice. The material feels lovely. It looks really great quality. There's no strands hanging out, anything like that. The colours are stunning, really pretty. Yeah, I am really impressed, and I know it's going to fit. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself, or have you bought one to give to someone for December, Christmas, whatever. I'd love to hear your thoughts, but I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.